Learning from incidents. Let's see this incident scenario. Operator has just loaded one truck with empty tonner and waiting for the other truck for loading. Operator started tonner loading using overhead hoist, but during this activity the clamps got slipped and tonner fell down to the ground and rolled towards the operator, hitting his foot. The operator got severely injured. Causes: the lifting clamps slipped as were not fixed properly. The operator was very close to the suspended load as the control cable was short. There may be many hidden causes: non-availability of required cable, work pressure, peer pressure. Ignorance, unable to recognize the associated hazards. No pre-use inspection of the lifting equipment. No practice of field rounds by supervisors. Remember, unsafe act can give a lifelong pain to self and family. It is better to avert unsafe acts. Remember, all incidents, injuries are preventable. Please share this incident scenario across for creating awareness or learning from incident, to control the recurrence. Thank you for watching. Work safely and be safe.